right, Sam's Club workout people. It is the 150-pound stack home gym by Marcy. I've always stood behind these. If you need an economical gym set, this is the way to go. Or just to get starter for your sons or daughters. It's the way to go. These are not a bad set at all. Get after it, get what you need done, and move up in weights and other different type of workout material later on. It's a good start. Another one here is the treadmill, $7.99. Ecolon Stride 50 RCX. Not on sale, but good deal. Okay, you got the dumbbell stand. Check this out. Then you got dumbbells here. The dumbbell stand is $399.99. Okay. I think it includes the dumbbells. I'm not sure here. Ecolon adjustable. It might be both sets. That I do not know. I will put that in the description. Oh, there it is. I guess that's it. You got the adjustable dumbbells with the stand. So you don't have to stoop over to pick it up. You got the bench here for $149, deluxe utility bench. That's good for a whole bunch of exercises. So check it out at Sam's Club. It's time to work out.